Welcome back, everybody. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be looking at a unique lock tonight, a Kimball lock. So this is an office furniture lock. It has a removable core. You can get this little key if you in an office and you say, oh, I really want to have a key made for, Becky and for Bonnie, and I need the same key. You just call up a locksmith and you just get him to come out with a removable core key, and he can just slam a new cylinder in the Kimball nice little lock. So these are found all over the country. You can find these in every institution, from big offices to little mom and pop stores. So Kimball's a nice brand. So I'm going to put it right here on this locker, and I made up this little block so that I can just easily install it with some two-way tape and show you how nicely it can go on this locker, and then show you how it moves. And also, if you ever want to upgrade your Kimball locks, it's easy to do with a micro IQ lock, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's get into the video. We have the Kimball lock all installed now. I just used two-way tape. This is a temporary install just to show you what you can do. I made a wooden spacer block, and if you're on metal, you can do this. You can just make a spacer block, attach it, and everything's cool. So the Kimball lock's a great little lock. You'll find it on most casework throughout the country. It has a control key which removes the core. So nice. So if the people want you to come and change the keys, just call Easy Key and you can get these keys within about maybe 5-6 days. So the Kimball lock is not a big problem. Great little lock. Highly suggest it for your facilities, by the way. And if you're a locksmith, just call Easy Keys and you can get more cores for replacement of the keys. Now, the beauty of this particular lock, this company, Micro IQ, believe it or not, you can just switch out this lock by pulling that core out of there and replacing it with one of these configurations of their electronic lock. Kimball has two different spindles that work with their locks. They've made up these spindles. So no matter what Kimball lock you have, you can put in a micro IQ lock. So if you're a locksmith, just tell them, hey, do you want an electronic lock there instead of all these nuisance keys? And they'll say, yeah, how much? Get them a quote. Use this paper. You don't have to have materials. Just show them the lock. It should sell them. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. The Kimball lock is a great lock. I love it. Easy to work on. And with Easy Keys, what can go wrong? This little locker, it has been so wonderful. Great display. Highly suggest that you buy a locker from lockers.com. You can resell it in the facility. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I love working with locks, and I know you guys do too. And just to see these different little variations of cabinet locks and what you can do with them is really important, because you don't want to go in blind. You don't want to say to yourself, I don't understand this stuff. And with just a little help from Easy Keys, install your own locks and you see how it works. You won't be dumbfounded when you go into the facility and they say, hey, can you work on that cabinet lock? And you go, yeah, and I can upgrade it too to an electronic lock if you'd like. So please stay tuned to my channel. I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Thank you so much.